Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem orbs on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord orbs are a virtual reward that you can earn by completing quests. And how if you want to redeem it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now, from here, you can go to this quest menu. There's an option quest. You can just select on that. If you want to earn orbs, you can accept the quest in here. After you accept the quest and you get the orbs, you can see your orbs in here. Here's my orbs. 10,050 orbs. And I want to redeem it. You can just select on the orbs, select on open the shop, and in here you can redeem your orbs with like this 3-day nitro credits, or maybe the like this the profile frame. You can see how much is it to get this to redeem it, like this one for 3 days nitro credit only. You need is but it's not available for our appreciation badge. You need 120 orbs to claim to redeem, like this. So many rewards, so many uh feature that you can redeem with this orbs. It's very cool, right? For example, I want to redeem orbs for appreciate badge. Can claim with orbs. Select claim with orbs. So you have earned this, and you can view. I will see it. I will see my badge here. Maybe I can see it on my profile, I think. So you can see now I have claimed the appreciate orbs that I just redeemed with my orbs. It's very cool, right? So that is how to redeem orbs on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.